Why local? Chatham-Kent is a great place to live, and your local realtors, we're your neighbors. You'll see us at grocery stores, theaters, restaurants, and sporting venues. We're here for more than just a sale. We know Chatham-Kent. We know the lay of the land.
Why local? Because we have a vast network. From lawyers to lenders to service providers, we have you covered.
Why local? We do a lot more than just structure sales agreements. We are your neighbors. This is our community. We know the history, and we're going to be here for you long after the sale's done.
Why local? Well, local realtors and brokerages give back to the community. We support charities, shelters, and your local businesses. We sponsor your local sports teams and clubs. When asked, we step up to the plate and we give back to the community we love and call home.
Why local? Hunting, fishing, birding, boating, kayaking. Chatham-Kent offers it all, and a local realtor can introduce you to all of our best hidden gems.
Why a local realtor? Because it just makes sense.